What's your favorite thing to make?
Cooking is kind of my secret passion. I've picked it up over the last few years. You know, for me, it's just a way, being on the road as much as I am, it's a way to bring the family together and express how much I care about them. I've learned, and I cook anything now, and it's something that it gives me great relief, great peace to be in the kitchen.
What's your favorite game time song?
To be honest with you, you know, high school, we came out to Phil Collins, In the Air. You know, and then I transitioned to Fresno, and Fresno has this long history of the human tunnel. And we would run around the court through the arms of fans sitting at Selland Arena. That was the song, the beat of that song, that I probably remember most of my career.
What was your first pet and what was its name?
First pet was Lizzie, a dog that I had an unbelievably special relationship with. Lizzie figured out where I went to elementary school. Lizzie would meet me outside at recess and oftentimes walk through the hallways to find me. So that was my first pet. Our first pet as a family is Jack the cat. You know, Jack, every pet in our house right now is post-addiction, except Jack. You know, I'll never forget it. You know, Jack the cat, we couldn't afford him. My wife and I, she'll kill me for saying this, but we had to buy him with change that we found around the house. He's 15 years old. So Jack has kind of gone on this trip, on this journey with us.